Hey, it's Ben here today from Safe Drive Solutions, and today we're going to talk about why audio recording is important on a dash camera. So, a lot of people get worried, they think about privacy issues, and that's a lot of the times why the majority of our clients leave audio recording off. Well, today I witnessed firsthand one of the major benefits of having audio recording turned on. So today, someone actually hit my vehicle. It was an accident. Accidents happen. But when I went out and he was leaving a note on my vehicle, I walked up, chatted with him. And what ended up happening was I went back and listened to my video, and it has all the full audio recording of myself and the person who hit my vehicle talking. It had him admitting guilt that he had hit the vehicle. It was an accident. I'm sorry. Just a little scuff on my bumper, blah, blah, blah. Right? So right there, ICBC is like, that's full guilt. I have the license plate on my dash camera. I have the impact on my dash camera. All of those things are essential to prove my innocence. And the other thing is when I called ICBC, they explained to me that all the dash camera footage has to be under 25 megabytes. So I had two video recordings. One was bigger than 25 megabytes. So being that I'm an Apple user, I went and used iMovie, and I modified the long recording, changed it into two, and I submitted three separate 20 megabyte files for them, which shows impact. It has audio recording of us talking, and the third one of the vehicle driving away after myself and the person actually drove away. So I have his full license plate of his vehicle. So that was a huge benefit of audio, because I know a lot of my clients actually like turning the audio recording off. Second big thing is it may prove you were not distracted. So let's say you're in your vehicle, you're driving, you're listening to music, and you're just driving, and boom, somebody cuts you off or an accident happens. Well, if they're saying you were distracted, you weren't paying attention to the road, you can prove like, hey, I had my audio recording on. I wasn't doing anything. Like I was, while, for instance, if you do like completely opposite, and let's say the audio recording's on and you're yelling at oncoming traffic, or, you're on the phone with someone and having an aggressive conversation, it might go against you, thinking that maybe you weren't 100% paying attention to the road. So there is positives and negatives to everything, but you have to weigh out, is there more positives having the audio recording on or more negatives? And that's really going to come down to yourself and what you see. I leave audio recording on. The other big thing is it records the sound of impact. So like today, there was an accident, the vehicle's backing up, and then you hear, mainly because the two vehicles had impact. So when you're looking at your video files, if you don't have audio recording on, you're not going to hear that impact. So it may be harder to go through some of your parking mode recordings to kind of figure out, I know I got hit while I was in Superstore, but I'm not sure which one of the four motion detection videos had it, right? So as much as a lot of these videos will separate impacts and everything, it is nice just to have that little bit extra audio. I mean, I leave it up to you. It's your decision on what you want to do. But that's my take on why dash camera audio recording is important.